Hey everyone, it's Rachel
and Kevin from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today we are going to show you how to make inexpensive 4x4 and 4x8 raised garden beds.
So Kevin first made me 2 raised garden beds a couple years ago at our old house, and at the time they each cost about $200, which was okay because we were only building 2 boxes. However, today we're going to build 10 boxes and we needed a more inexpensive solution.
For each of the garden boxes that we built today, each will cost less than $50. We'll link the details in the blog post in the description below. Now, let's get started. The first part of the process is to cut 12-inch pieces out of this 4x4 board. Each of these pieces will be used in the corner sections of the garden boxes. The next step in the process is to build the sides. We've got 8 foot by 6 inch red cedar weather treated lumber. We're going to cut it into 4 foot sections. We're going to do this a few more times because we need 8 total boards for the 4x4 garden boxes. So for the next step, lay out all your pieces in a 4x4 square so you can see the way that it's all going to come together. Alright, so the next step in the process is to drill in the sides to the corner posts. I'm using 2.5 inch deck screws. So let's start drilling. As you can see, the posts are coming out a little bit off the edge here. This is actually going to be the bottom of the garden bed, and these are going to go into the dirt. Alright, so now we're going to make the 8 foot by 4 foot garden boxes. You're still going to want to cut this 4x4 into 1 foot sections. And then for the 8 foot boards, just measure them twice, make sure that they are exactly 8 feet. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Please subscribe to our channel so you can follow along with everything we're doing here at Sugar Maple Farmhouse.